Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Google Pay and signing in with your Google account. This links identity to payments. Once signed in, make sure your phone has an active screen lock and stable internet, because verification needs both. Have your bank account number, IFSC or routing, and debit card visible to speed entry. Tap Add Bank Account now and choose your bank from the list. This begins the verification handshake between Google and your bank, so proceed without delay. Next, select your bank and input the exact account number plus IFSC or routing number. Accuracy prevents failures. Then choose the verification method, either Instant Bank API verification, a one-time PIN OTP, or a micro debit that shows a code in your statement. Make sure you allow Google Pay SMS and notification permissions so OTPs arrive smoothly. Once you receive the OTP or statement code, enter it. Finish by setting the newly linked bank account as your default or add a debit card for backup, depending on how you'll pay. Once done, test with a small transfer or request to confirm funds move correctly, and then verify it on your bank statement. If something goes wrong, first recheck the account number and IFSC, ensure SMS permissions are enabled, and confirm your bank allows UPI or Google Pay connections. If still blocked, contact your bank's support for the specific hold or limit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.